Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Messenger call dropping. So to fix Facebook Messenger calls that keep dropping, you can start with basic connectivity and app maintenance steps. So you can start by stabilize your connection. You can just switch from your Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if the drop is network specific. The next what you can do is restart your router because weak signals can cause calls to end abruptly, especially if the bandwidth is too low for video. Now the next what you can do is disable data saver. Ensure Messenger isn't being restricted by your phone's built-in data saving modes. Now the next what you can do is refresh the Messenger by forcing and restarting it again. You see when you open a Messenger, just swipe it up and then swipe it up again to completely close it from your multitasking screen. Now the next what you can do is you can go to your Google Play Store and App Store and then search for Messenger, and if you see an update option here available here, just tap on it to get the latest version of Messenger. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.